What's up everyone, welcome back to the channel and welcome back to another hockey card opening video. So in this video we are going to revisit the last year Series 1 once again. We're going to be taking a look at 1920 Series 1 Upper Deck, and we're going to be doing a hobby box of it this time. Now we already did a retail box. If you did not see that, go ahead and click up here and watch that. We didn't have the best of luck with it. As far as the young guns we wanted to get, we only got one of the alright ones. We got Victor Olofsson, which was okay, it's a good hit. But as far as the ones that I was actually chasing that I wanted, didn't get any of them. So kind of a blah pack, if you want to call it that. But this time, basically, we're going to run through it again real quick. What I'm looking for: Jack, Quinn Hughes. That's pretty much it. Getting David Ayers would be pretty cool. That's the Zamboni driver that got to play for the Carolina Hurricanes. Or did he play for the Hurricanes, or did he play for, what team did he play for? Anyway, I'll put it up here. But yeah, he's a Zamboni driver that ended up filling in for a game and getting a win. So that was kind of cool. So that'd be a fun card to get. But other than that, doesn't really matter. I kind of, yeah, Capo Caco actually is in here, never mind. That'd be a good one to get. But other than that, Jack and Quinn Hughes, that's what we're chasing. So we now have a hobby box of this. So let's get this thing open and chase these cards. Also, want to let you guys know, if you're wondering, hey, why are you not doing the new Upper Deck Series 1 stuff? Don't you worry. I have 2 hobby boxes of the new Upper Deck Series 1. We're going to be doing that on the channel very soon, so if you want to check that out and make sure you're here for that, make sure you get subscribed and turn those notifications on. But anyway, let's roll the intro and let's go ahead and open this box. Alright guys, we got the packs out right here. So just as always, I'm gonna explain this real quick. We got 8 cards in each pack, and we got 24 packs in this box right here. And this box cost me $69.99. Yeah, it's on sale right now where I got it. So yeah, if you guys want to get yourself some last year's Series 1, it's still on sale right now. So there you go. Anyway, let's get these packs out and start ripping them open. Alright, so here we go. Let's give it a little shuffle real quick. All right, I think I gave him a good mix. Let's go ahead and start opening these up. So here we go. 1920 Upper Deck Series 1 Hockey. Here is the pack right there. This is the hobby box version. There we go. All right, let's get it open. And like I said, hopefully we can get some of those chase cards that we're looking for. I will not actually do the base very long, since you guys already have seen a video on it. Hopefully I will just go ahead and go through the hits here. Let's go ahead and get these out. All right, and what do we got here? Leon Draisaitl, Michael Backlund, Nathan McKinnon, Brad Richardson, and we got a Young Guns UD canvas already of Tobias Bjornfoot. There you go. There's a Young Guns UD canvas. So this doesn't count against our Young Guns. So that's just a special insert we got. So that's cool. There you go. There you go. Torrey Krug, Kyle Clifford, and Shea Weber. Jared Spurgeon, Mike Green, Tyler Toffoli. Oh, we got the oh man, we got the two brothers Young Guns checklist. All right, that's pretty cool. There we go. We got Jack and we got Quinn right there. That's the good checklist card to get. That's very nice. Okay, let's go ahead and take a look at condition of the card. It's all right. There's a little bit of whitening. Man, that's crazy. A little bit of whitening on the top. I don't know. Other than that, it looks pretty good. Nice. There we go. We got the Young Guns checklist with Jack and Quinn. All right. So now only if we can find their Young Guns cards individually. That'd be great. All right. Cool. Nice. All right. We got Ryan Suter, Lone Couture, Mike Giordano, Troy Stetcher. There we go. Robert Thomas, John Gabriel Pajot, Teuvo Teravainen, and we got an energy card of Jacob Silfberg. Now these are some of the inserts that are hobby only. These weren't in the retail one, so there you go. These are really cool looking. Nice. All right, we got Jason Zucker, Cam Fowler, Connor Hellebuck, and Mikko Koskinen. Okay, we got Michael Bodeker. We got the Series 1 checklist, another one. So this is the Brad Marchand and Ryan O'Reilly checklist. Nice. Boone Jenner. And we got this Patrick Waugh card. What is that? Is that a special insert? Yeah, that is a UD 30 insert. Yep. That's the 30-year anniversary insert, so you can get in here. Okay, cool. Very nice. Patrick Waugh, UD30. There it is. All right, cool. All right, we got Matthias Ekholm, Mark Stahl, Nick Ritchie, and another, what? We got another checklist of 1 through 100. Okay, so we have all 3 of the checklists now. Very nice. Cool. Okay, keep going. Marcus Foligno, Sidney Crosby, Alex Petrangelo, and we got our first actual Young Guns, and it's Libor Hajek. Libor Hajek. Is that how you say his name? I don't know. It doesn't tell you on the back. Yep, not really sure about this guy right here. Not sure if this is worth anything, but there you go. Libor Hajek Young Guns. There it is. Oh, and I dropped it. Okay, David Perron, Frank Vatrano, Anthony Cirelli, Jacob Chikrin. There we go. We got Jake DeBrusk, Shea Theodore, Bobby Ryan, William Nylander, and what is this? Did I get another UD30 of Wayne Gretzky? Oh, wow, we got Wayne's card. That is, yep, that is a UD30. Yep, that is the UD30 Wayne Gretzky card. Very cool. That's not a bad one to have. Nice, we got Mr. Wayne Gretzky. Nice. Always like getting cards of good old the great one. Very nice. All right, Nick Bonino, Thomas Hurdle, Michael Kemney. All right. Keith Yandel, Matt Calvert, Sam Reinhart, Jesper Fast, and just a regular UD canvas of Nico Hischier. There it is. There you go. Looking at him pointing at somebody because he scored a goal probably. Nice. All right. And Matt Dumba, Max Pacioretty, Philip Deneau, Oscar Lindblom, Philip Forsberg, Brad. We got an energy of Austin Matthews. There you go. Nice. Not a bad energy to get. Austin Matthews. Always good to have cards of him. Nice. Martin Jones, James Van Riemsdyk, Matthew Barzal, and Elias Lindholm. We got Zach Bogosian, Rickard Rakell, Jordan Wheel, Morgan Riley, and UD Portraits, Connor McDavid. There we go. There's Connor. UD Portraits. Nice. All right. Tyler Seguin, Ryan Strome, Drew Doughty. We got the Nuge, Tyler Johnson, Ilya Kovalchuk, and we got Young Guns here, Carson Twarynski. Oh man, all right, yep, another one that I really wasn't looking for. So there you go, Carson Twarynski, Young Guns. There you go. There he is. Okay, put that off to the side. Christian Fisher, Oscar Klefbom, Evgeny Kuznetsov, and Brent Burns. All right, we got Christian Dvorak, Taylor Hall, Jonathan Taves, Elias Pettersson, and all right, look at that. Another Elias Pettersson, but Generation Next Elias Pettersson. There you go. These are actually really cool looking cards. I like these a lot. You got the next and foil right there, and then yeah, very nice. The Swedish Hockey League's Rookie of the Year in 2017-2018. Yep, Pettersson earned the Calder Trophy as the NHL's best newcomer in 2018-2019, after leading all rookies in points, 66 points. Very nice. Good job, Elias. We're going to get your card eventually, too. Adam Lowry, Anthony Duclair, and Alexander Weinberg. All right. Let's see. We got Jesper Bratt, Josh Bailey, and we got a Young Guns. Don't know who it is. Didn't really see it. Mark Scheifele, and we got Ryan Poling. Okay, that's not a terrible one, I don't think. This one's okay card to get. For the Canadians, we got Ryan Poling there. All right. There's his card. Nice. I think he's an all right one to get. All right, then we got Charlie Coyle, Johnny Gaudreau, cards are sticking a little bit, Blake Coleman, and Bo Horvat. Henrik Borgstrom, Sam Bennett, Tuukka Rask, Kyle Okposo, and oh, we have a freaking acetate of Dominic Kubalik. Very cool. What are these called? I cannot remember. I'll put it on the screen. These are the the clear inserts. I forget what they're calling. They're acetate cards, but wow, of Dominic Kubalik. That's not a bad one to get this in. Very cool. Yes, we got ourselves one of these clear Young Guns. Very nice. That's a cool pull right there. All right, that is very cool. Clear cut, I believe it's, yeah, that's what it's called, you guys. This is a clear cut. Very cool. Nice. Clear cut Young Guns of Dominic Kubalik. Nice. Not a bad card. All right, let's move to this next part. Here we go. All right, we got plenty of packs left, you guys. We're still owed some Young Guns, I believe, and some inserts that are possible, so keeping up hope here. All right, so we got Brendan Saad, Nino Niederreiter, Johnny Carlson, and an energy of Mark Stone. Nice. Love Mark Stone. It's a cool card. Like it. All right, Frederick Anderson, Tyson Jost, Andre Palat, and Mackenzie Blackwood. All right, we got Nicholas Hjalmarsson, Braden Shen, Damon Severson, Alexander Barkov, and it looks like we got a portraits. Yep, we got Austin Matthews again. I got this in the retail box already, so there's that. Austin Matthews, UD portraits. All right, then we got Rasmus Dahlin, that funny card of him. That one's hilarious. Matt Murray and Issa Lindo. We got Dylan Larkin, Justin Schultz, Philip Seidel, and we got Young Guns. We got Martin Fervari. Fervari. All right, once again, he's playing for the Caps there, but yep, not one of the ones that I wanted. All right, there he is. Okay, get that out of the way. All right, David Krejci, Roberto Luongo, Kyle Palmieri, Dominic Simon. All right, next. We got Jacob Voracek, Alex Killorn, Sean Couturier, Eric Stahl, and what do we got here? Oh, we got a UD portraits of Brad. Let's just get that out of here. Okay. Casey Middlestat, Jordan Bennington, Jeff Carter. There you go. Rupe Hintz, Chris Kreider. Oh, okay. Whatever. Marcus Sorensen. Vladimir Tarasenko energy. There you go. Nice. Marc-Andre Fleury, Derek Stepan, Austin Matthews, Jake Virtanen. Kyle Clutterbuck, Ryan Ellis, Brian Little, Nick Bugstad. Oh, we got a Shooting Star Centers of Sid the adult. Sid the kid, Sid the adult, whatever you want to call him. There you go. That's not a bad one to have, I guess. You got a good Shooting Stars of Sid. Nice. There you go. And we got Kasperi Kapanen, Seth Jones, Chris Tierney. Jesper Kokanyemi, Paul Stastny, Zdeno Chara. What is going on here? What is this insert? Connor McDavid. What is that? Oh, it's a UD30 of Connor McDavid. Okay. I don't know. Okay. I don't know if these are probably not rare or anything like that, but yeah, there's a UD30 of Connor McDavid. I was about to say it looks different. It looks like the one of the old years. Yeah, is this his rookie years? Yeah, card design. I think it might be. Anyway, there you go. Connor McDavid UD30. There it is. All right. Thomas Chabot, Daniel Sprong, Braden Holtby, Radek Faksa. All right, we got let's see, 1, 2, 3, 4 packs left. One of these might be a fat one. Might have a jersey in it or something. We'll see. Don't know. Might be this one. No, it's not. Okay. Here we go. We got Max Domi, Corey Crawford, Victor Arvidsson, Louis Eriksson, and we got a UD canvas of Miro Heiskanen. There you go. Miro Heiskanen, UD canvas. All right, and then we got Brent Seabrook, Cody Eakin, Nikita Kucherov. Maybe they're a little bit more rare now. All right. Here we go. Hampus Lindholm, Darnell Nurse, Evander Kane. Oh, man, I saw the blue, but it's Carter Verhaeghe, Young Guns for the Lightning. Dang. Not the Young Guns we're looking for again. There you go. Carter Verhaeghe, Young Guns. There he is. There you go. Cool picture, though. All right. Jake Muzzin, Patrick Hornquist, Darren Helm, Warren Fogle. All right, 2 packs left, you guys. Here we go. Could it be? Could it be the brothers in these 2 packs? Probably not. I don't think I have that many Young Guns left, actually. I think I maybe could get one more. If my counting was right. Maybe not. Maybe I got all my Young Guns already. All right, Brendan Dillon, Duncan Keith, Jeff Petrie, Tom Wilson. We got a UD Portraits of Cale Makar. There you go. Cale Makar, UD rookie portraits, by the way, but there you go. We got Eric Gustafson, Pavel Buchnevich, Oshbabe, TJ Oshie. All right, last pack, you guys. I mean, I don't know. I don't even know if I can get another Young Gun here, but we'll see if we get anything good. All right. All right, here we go. So we got Victor Hedman, got Jonathan Quick, JT Comfer, Zach Hyman. Wow. And just a regular UD canvas of Ryan McDonough. What a sad way to end it off, you guys. There you go. We got Alex Chason, Samuel Girard, and Ryan O'Reilly. There it is. All right, guys, so let's recap this. I mean, you know, we got our usual. We got 4 UD portraits right here. Let's see. We got 4 of these pure energy cards right there. Let's see. Got a couple canvases. We got how many of those? 3 canvas cards. We got 1 shooting stars centers of Sid. Then we got, yeah, we got the 2 checklists right there. We did get the Generation Next of Elias. There he is. That's kind of cool. We got a few of these UD 30s. We got 3 really good ones. We got Patrick Waugh, we got Wayne, and we got Connor McDavid. Not bad. There's those. And then as far as our Young Guns, we got this canvas Young Guns of Tobias Bjornfoot. Maybe all right. We got a lot of crap right here. I think the best one of the regular ones we got here is maybe Ryan Poling or Carter Verhaeghe. These other ones, a lot of ones that I have no idea about. So we got 5 right there. And then I guess this is our 6th one, was this canvas one. And then we ended up getting an extra. We got this right here, this acetate Dominic Kubalik Young Guns. It's probably the best thing we got out of this box, was this guy right here. That's a pretty cool hit. Nice. So, you know, there you go. Decided to go try to chase Jack and Quinn Hughes again. We got that Young Guns checklist. That's it. You know, sucks that it's messed up, but whatever. What are you going to do? Yeah, so I got a lot more cards to open. I ordered a whole bunch of different stuff. There's stuff that's been sitting here that I have waiting to open for the right time. So yeah, keep it here, you guys. I'll be having a lot more of these card openings, and I do a lot more stuff on the channel too. So again, if you guys are not subscribed, make sure you get subscribed with those notifications on so you don't miss my future videos. But until the next one, I'll see you guys later. Peace.